Hello and welcome to Learning Python. In this project we're going to be doing a dice simulator, and we're going to begin by importing a library called random. Okay, import random. Then we declare a variable called roll again, and we make it the input. I want to roll the dice. Leave an extra space. Now we're going to go ahead and use a while loop. In the first video I talked about what the while loops are, and basically a while loop is a loop or a method that happens, or the instances within the while loop goes on as long as a condition is true. So we're going to say while roll again is equal to yes, or roll again is equal to y. Now let's recap what's happening here. Make that a lowercase while roll again is the using double equal sign compares or validates a condition of your statement. Using one equal sign is assigning a value to a variable. For example, roll again is one equal sign input of the message over here of the user. Now while roll again double equal signs is yes, so it's comparing if the input of the roll again value is yes or y. Let's go ahead. Now we're going to print a few messages over here, and we're going to say here goes the rolls. I'm going to put that over there, and we're going to put another print message where we're going to say and your values are another extra space over there. Now when we imported random, I mentioned that, or now I'm mentioning that random generates a value between the ranges you give it. So we're gonna say print random from the library random.rand int a random integer between the ranges 1 and 6. And because we have two dices rolled, when we roll dices, we're going to make that two random.rand in this place. Now we're going to use an if statement to run the program again. So we're going to say user choice is equal to input. Let's give the message want to play again, and let's give the options yes or no. Then we're going to use an if statement. If user choice in, now we're going to use a list instead of typing out everything. Yes, oh, a mistake over here. Yes, capital Y, oh, lowercase y, and a capital Y. We're gonna go and say pause. Now what pause does is it makes, let's say it's to continue the program, or in this case the loop. Then we're gonna say elif, so this is another condition. Instead of ending it with an else, we're gonna say if user choice in is no, lowercase no, capital N, or lower n, we're gonna make the program stop. Now we're gonna have a else statement over here, and we're gonna break it again. We have a little warning here, invalid syntax elif. Why do we have a statement? Elif user choice in no and n break. Okay, everything seems fine. Now let's run the code. Okay, let's close this console and run it again. Want to roll the dices. Now we're either supposed to say yes or a Y. So let's say yes. Here goes the rolls, and your values are 6 and 5. Want to play again? Let's say Y. Here goes the rolls, 2 and 5. Want to play again? Yes. Here goes the rolls, 1 and 2. Let's say no. And the program stopped. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today.